We are going to open up a new software instrument and start working on our arpeggiator. We're going to start by selecting any instrument. I'm going to use 70s analog lead. We're then going to select MIDI effects and click on Arppeciator. This brings out our sound box to begin recording and editing. You could change the order in which the notes go, how fast they go, and what octave it will be set at. I'm going to set my arpeggiator to an ascending order and begin recording. I'm then going to quantize for the 16th note and take out any extra notes I played during recording. Now I have successfully added an arpeggiator to my EDM project.